Hello, Nonna Maria. I'm back. Another Sicilian classic to eat eggs for dinner. Eggs, onions, and peas. Little parsley. Here's the star of the show. The eggs. And onions, little onions. And I forgot some little grape tomatoes. Let's begin. Little onion. Let it get softened. Some grape tomatoes. Actually, it's for color. Okay, we squash a little the tomato. Now, just a little salt, just about that much. Little pepper, about that much. And little hot pepper, of course, for me. Now, we put the peas. Again, a little salt. And a little pepper. We put a little bouillon. This is better than bouillon. With a little water. And we wait for a while. After they cook for 5-6 minutes, the peas, they were frozen. We put the egg. We make a little well. Here is the other one. Now, a little salt, a little pepper, we cover, and voila! My eggs and peas are ready. A little bit more of parsley, my crostini bread with sourdough. See how nice and soft it is, so we can dunk the bread. Yummy! And that's how we make eggs for dinner or for lunch. Ciao! Un bacione da Nonna Maria!